This video is going to demonstrate how to use the NC-Simul interface to import a job directly from Hypermill. Once the add-in is installed, simply right-click on the operation to be exported and start the NC-Simul interface from the utilities flyout. Choose a clamping position that will correspond to how the setup will sit when it gets loaded onto the real machine. Next, decide where to locate the output files and click the button to launch NC-Simul. The interface will begin generating the NC data for the project and assembling all of the files for the environment that it's constructing. Upon opening, NC-Simul will automatically create the part, rough stock, and clamp files, as well as populate the job tree. It creates a tool library from the Hypermill models, sets the offsets in the initialization, and automatically performs a syntax error check on the post-process G-code. Notice that all of the elements have already been placed on the machine table, and without any further setup, the simulation is completely ready to begin verifying the program. While the simulation is running and checking for collisions, the 3D window is still able to be zoomed, panned, and rotated to effectively view the entirety of the process. Watch as the real post-process code is dynamically displayed in conjunction with the machine movements and how the HUD provides a live feed for the machining conditions. With all of these tools at one's disposal, NC-Simul makes it easy to feel confident about sending out a 100% proven program to the shop floor.